Welcome everyone. So we're talking about molecular visualizations, docking visualizations, and representations. So this will just be a short presentation because this kind of topic demands showing your workings. I mean, it's a practical topic. It's not something you give lectures about. So, but let me just show you a few things in under 5 minutes. So we're going to deal with three tools, our popular Chimera, Discovery Studio, and Pymol, on how to use these tools to visualize your structures, ligands, and especially macromolecules, proteins, DNA, whatever. And it's also very useful, very important when you want to produce publication quality images. Very, very useful. And believe me, I've used a lot of them and it has really been great and wonderful. So understanding how to use them, it's something that it's a skill that you wouldn't want to miss out. So let's start ChimeraX. ChimeraX is the successor of Chimera. This is the what the window looks like. It is very great in producing high quality images. It features both buttons and a clear command line to help you create reproducible scripts for whatever you are working on, so that you can transfer your exact settings to someone else. So if you did this same exact thing, you can send it to someone, the person execute the same things and then get the same results. So the next one is the Discovery Studio from BioVar. It's also an excellent tool. Usually I use it to visualize interactions between my ligand and my protein or DNA. Yeah, but it has more than that function. It can be used for pharmacophore design, structure-based design, QSAT, met modeling, molecular dynamics, and all what have you. So it is a very, 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 very powerful tool in all these category. So we're also going to show how to utilize this. Yeah, we can't show everything, but we'll show you some things. Some of these tools, more knowledge, understanding, and expertise comes from using them than just learning about them. Yes. Okay, then we'll talk about Pymol, the almighty Pymol. Pymol can easily be installed for if you're using Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever is possible. It's maintained by Schrodinger, requires a license, but wouldn't prevent you from installing it without a license. So as you can see, this is a screenshot from my own. I installed it on my Windows because I had issues installing it on Linux. So as you can see, it's telling me, oh, no license file for evaluation only. So it keeps popping up this, and all my images, it keeps annotating them with this no license. Yeah. So I had to find a way to overcome that because I do not have a license, right? So the same thing goes. It won't stop working if you don't have a license, but a license is required to get the full functionality. So as I said, need a license from Schrodinger. It can be installed without a license. Now Pymol is great because it's one of the best tools out there to produce high quality images, especially for publication. And then it features a very, very clear command line for easy scripting. Very clear, as I'm going to show you during the demo or during the practicals. You are going to see very, very easy to work with, and a lot of things can happen. For example, you can type here, and if you select any compound, it gives you the information about any residue or any atom. You get information printed out for you. It's really a great tool. Okay, so these are extra resources I provided. These are mainly people's blog or tutorials or documents that help you understand each of these two in a better way. So you can look them up because most of the things we're going to do in the practicals are based on so many of the materials they provided in this tutorial. So as I said, less than 5 minutes. So we are done. In the practical section, we are going to show exactly how to use this. Thank you.